Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Asia X AI. So, if you have been anywhere on the internet lately, you have seen this trend. Everyone is going absolutely crazy over this insane hyper detailed miniature figure photo. And guess what? This is not real. They are AI generated, and I am about to show you the free, super easy way to turn any of your picture into this mind-blowing Bandai-style art. And that too using the Google secret weapon. I know, it looks like a professional photo shoot with a tiny model. This tool we are using is called the Nano Banana inside the Google Gemini. Just open your Chrome browser and type Google Gemini, or you can use the link I have dropped you in the description below. It will take you right there. So, once you're in Gemini, look for this a new feature called Nano Banana. So this thing is making people lose their mind because it's just developing everything. We can create so many wild images, but today we are focusing on the one viral trend that's breaking the internet. Are you ready? Yes. Then click on this tool session. So here there is a little icon there, right? A banana icon. So click on that icon for creating an image. So once you clicked on that image and then hit this add file icon, so you can upload your files directly from your local files or even from your Google Drive. So for now, I'm grabbing a file from my desktop. So I'm just selecting it, uploading it, and boom. So you can do this on your phone or your laptop. So it's so simple only. So now here is the magic part. We need a prompt for it, right? So the prompt is a secret sauce here. So just copy the prompt which I have given in the description and then paste it here and then click on generate. So let's wait for it. This literally take a second to generate the image. Yes, it is generated. So see, this looks so good. Look at that details. This is exactly what I want. This is the image that breaking the internet. People are just uploading their picture and turning them into this amazing miniature masterpieces. It's insane, right? Yes. But wait, I wanna tweak one thing here. So let's make something even more realistic. So I'm just uploading another image using the same awesome prompt, but here I'm adding a realistic look at the end. So let's see what happens here. I'm just uploading another image and in the prompt at the end I'm just adding the realistic look and then selecting generate. So let's wait how it looks. Wow, check this out. This is what I actually wanted. So see the difference? The one I generated before and the one is generated right now. This looks so realistic. So see the detailing. The details are very sharp and it gives the exact image what I have given. So all the face structure, body structure, everything is so natural the way I given the input of that image. It is listening the vibe of the photo you have given it, right? So yes, how cool is this? Just drop your thought in the comment. So I'll read out all of your comments and I'll try to reply for all of your comments as well. So okay, now I'm so addicted to this. Let's try another one. Let me add some images which is I generated in a mountain view. So I'm just giving this image which is in the mountain view. So I'm adding the same prompt with a realistic look and I'm selecting generate. Are you kidding me? Look at that. It's so perfect, right? So I have given with the scenery, all the lighting, everything I have given. So the output it got, it tries entire tiny details of that particular image. So it's so cool, right? It's giving everything so detailed away. So this is why people are using and going crazy about Nano Banana. So this Nano Banana thing is very unbelievably powerful. So one more test. Let's see if it can handle the half body shot and expand it. Okay. So I'm going to give the half shot of my character picture. So let's wait and see whether it's going to expand it or not. So I'm adding my short picture and giving the same prompt and just selecting generate. So let's wait for the image. So look at that output. It didn't just make it anime, it gave it full body. So romantic look, everything. It looks so cool, right? Expanded the outfit and the heels. That heels looks so cool actually. So yeah, the hairstyle, the face structure, everything is flawless here. I didn't expect it to be this good. This new trend is so cool, guys. It's very cool. So, okay, all right. So, I have got my incredible image from the Nano Banana. But what if I tell you the magic doesn't stop here? You can also bring this image into a live. So, I'm just kidding. It's not live, it's a video. So, I'm going to transfer this image into the video. So, let's see how it looks in a video format. So, I'm not going to make it like anything usual video, but something differently. I'm just going to try it. So, let's see. Head over to the another awesome website here. If you want the link of this website, just go and check in the description or in the caption, you will get the link. So once you went into that link, you can open this awesome website. It's a movie. So this website gives you free daily credits to generate videos or generate anything in this website. It will give 30 credit points every day you log into this website. So you can generate more things using this website. Yes. So there are lots of features available in this website. So let me explain you. This is another cool website which I am just saw on the internet. So this two movie AI, you can turn your imagination into your video. So you can create the videos or your movie scenes, anything here. So you can just get your free credits daily, 30 credits, and you can just create it. So you just enter your script and generate a video, or you can just enter your image and bring that image to life. And also you can extend your stories. Like for example, you have shot a video, you need to seamlessly extend your story. So then what you can do, you just put your video and give your prompt, it will extend your story in video effects. And here I'm going to select AI ASMR. Why? Because I'm going to give some ASMR effect to my video. So let's try this. So there are a lot of features here, video effects. So I'm going to select this toy figure as of now. So once I select it, see it's asking a sign in to this website. So you can sign in using your email address or using your Google account, Facebook account, X account or Apple. So as of now, I'm signing with my Google account. So I'm just clicking Google and yes, I got signed in. So once I logged in here, see it's giving me 30 credit points for today. So if I log in tomorrow, I'll get another 30 credit points. So it will count. So as of now, I'm having totally 130 credit points. So if I didn't use this 130 credit points and I'm just logging daily, I will get 30 credit points daily and I can use that as in my lump sum video creations also. So yeah, I have just uploaded my photo and I can even select with BGM or without BGM. So as of now, I'm selecting with BGM and then I'm just selecting this generate button. So it will take 100 points to generate this video. So yeah, in the right hand side, it's just generating it. We'll wait for the video generation. See, it got generated. It as well. So you can hear with the BGM. So you can use this for your content creation or even for your personal branding or personal IDs also you can use it. So it's like a crazy tool which we are just going with the trend. Okay, so I showed you everything here. So how awesome is that? Just share your experience or your views in the comments and I'll get to know. So this is the next level for content creation. So you're doing it all for free here. So what are you waiting for it? This is probably the most fun you'll see online for next few weeks or few months. So just go and create your Bandai style and just make that Bandai style into the ASMR video to get viral. Just go to my description right now and get the links and make your own. So I'm so serious. Once you generate it, just tag me on your social media because I have to see what you have created. So it's gonna be incredibly fun, right? Yes. If this tutorial helped